What's up sa inyo mga kaibigan? Ngayong araw ay re-reviewin naman natin ang Orion Bar 4000 by Lostvape. Yan nga pala yung mga actual colors. The Orion Bar by lostvape is a 4000 puff disposable featuring a 400 mAh of battery that can be recharged via Type-C USB on the side of the device that allows lightning fast recharges. The Orion bars contains 11.5 of e-liquid and uses 50 mg of salt nicotine. With 11.5 ml of e-liquid, most users get approximately 4,000 puffs of great tasting flavor. The Orion bar also offers an adjustable airflow dial at the bottom of the device for a tighter or looser draw. Ito ang available flavors natin: lychee ice, strawberry ice cream, mango, taro ice cream, strawberry cheesecake. Cloud check natin yan, let's go!